Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the world's best website, iOS and app testing site. If you want to know more about this website, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is beta testing? Beta testing is a kind of client acknowledgement testing where the item group gives an almost completed item to a gathering of target clients to assess item execution in reality. There is no norm for what a beta test ought to resemble and how to set up beta testing. If you want to join as beta tester, link in the description box. How long should beta testing last? We by and large suggest tests that are no more limited than about 14 days and no longer than 12, with most beta tests having somewhere in the range of 4 and 2 months of test time. The following are 4 key components to consider when choosing the span of your test. How accomplishes beta testing work? Our beta testing bundles are vigorous tests that give excellent commitment and input over a time of days or weeks. Our tests are ideal for testing situations that are ordinarily difficult to test with conventional client testing administrations, test measures that require testing over several days, certifiable connection, correspondence with analyzers, bug reports, and so forth. For each test, we enroll analyzers that coordinate your intended interest group. You get a strong commitment, and great criticism, bug reports, and analyzer correspondence. What are the ideal use cases? What kind of things would we be able to test? Our beta testing bundles are ideal for gathering UX input for test measures that require numerous days, association in reality, or explicit timetables. Here are some extraordinary models. Running application, get UX input after clients complete at least 1 runs through the span of 1 week. Online specialist application, collect input and bugs after every client plans and finishes an online arrangement over the video with a professional. Stopping application, rate slant after analyzers utilize the application to trade stopping places with another client. Multiplayer game, set a particular date and time for clients to join a multiplayer game and later give input. Application algorithms for news application, track which news every client peruses in the first part of the day to improve the AI. Many, some more. Get in touch with us to ask about your utilization case. How would you enroll analyzers? We enroll analyzers from the beta testing people group, more than 130,000 analyzers all around the world, and expanded organization, including accomplished statistical surveying firms and informal communities with joined admittance to millions of additional members. For each test, we enroll focused on analyzers that coordinate your segment necessities and pass a custom screening study. Since our beginning 4+ years back, we've developed our analyzer network generally naturally and through references from different analyzers, yet in addition through advertising and analyzer outreach endeavors. Who are the analyzers? Our people group incorporates a wide assortment of socioeconomics, interests, and capacities, professionals, understudies, mothers, fathers, designers, and everything in the middle. The repeating theme is that every one of our analyzers is energetic about giving criticism and assuming an important function to help dispatch better, more fruitful items. In return for their quality criticism, every analyzer gains a prize. We organize motivators, so you don't need to. The expense is now remembered for our estimating. Is it acceptable to be a beta analyzer? Being a beta analyzer has numerous advantages, regardless of whether it isn't paid work, whether it's a popular application or a non-mainstream item. Notwithstanding any impetuses designers offer to their beta analyzers, you get first admittance to an application's most current highlights. How to turn into a beta analyzer and get paid. To turn into an analyzer, you should pass an evaluation since you'll have to give itemized audits and criticism to every item you test. On their site, it expresses that analyzers can procure somewhere in the range of $50 to $150 every hour. I hope you all enjoying the video and start your earnings from today. If you get more videos on this topic, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video. Good luck.